The Golden Feather. The Golden Feather. One day, the queen was taking a walk in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met an old woman. An old woman said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you a necklace of 21 pearls." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins." "Sorry," said the queen. Then she met the little prince. He said, "Oh, Mama, what a bright, beautiful feather." "Take it, my dear," said the queen. "Keep it safe." Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.